Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to be creating two projects for you. They're both going to be glam projects, and I'm going to start off with these vases that I have in front of me. I'm only going to be using two of those vases today, and I'm going to be using these fluorescence appliques. I'm going to open it up very quickly and show you how beautiful these appliques are. So all the appliques, all white in color, and they have an iridescent lining and or some iridescence in the center just to give each flower a pop of color. So these are self-adhesive appliques, and I absolutely love them. These are very unique looking, and they add a lot of interest to whatever you're going to apply them to. I'm going to start with this rhinestone self-adhesive wrap, and I'm just going to take it and fold it over and cut this into two long strips. Once that's done, I'm going to apply it to the top and the bottom edge of the vase. So now guys, it's time to apply the floral appliques. So next I'm going to use this adhesive packing tape. I'm going to use a little bit of it, and I'm going to apply it to the front or the back of the applique to remove the backing and separate the two pieces. This is self-adhesive. It is going to stick on really well. I absolutely love the way these came out. It's so clean, it's beautiful. The appliques look like they've been painted on, like spray painted on. This is really beautiful. And as you can see in the inside of the vase, it looks clean, it looks neat, it looks elegant. All right, so now guys, I'm going to continue with the second project. Both vases I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using this beautiful white or clear rhinestone trim. Look how beautiful these two vases came out. I love the way both of the projects came out. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.